Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert seconds to minutes Excel. Open the Excel file, you can see the seconds you are going to convert. Now select a cell, enter the equal sign there, click on the cell with seconds, enter the division sign, and then the number 60. Remember that a minute is made up of 60 seconds. Press enter to see the result. You can increase or decrease the decimals if you wish. Finally, drag this formula to the other cells. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.